Hello and welcome to this EcoWave application installation video. The EcoWave app allows you to enable and disable your network connection at regular intervals in order to receive fewer notifications, be less psychologically stressed and less physically exposed to 4G and 5G waves. The settings of your iPhone don't allow this installation easily. You will find in this video the steps to follow to be able to install and use the EcoWave app on your iPhone with iOS 14. This setup consists of several simple steps that it is important to respect in order for the app to work properly. First, make sure you have the Shortcuts iOS app. This app is normally installed by default on your iOS device, otherwise you can re-download it directly from the App Store. After identifying the Shortcuts app, open it directly and press one of the first shortcuts you have on the screen. For example, we chose the Shazam shortcut in this video. In order to install the EcoWave shortcut, it is indeed necessary to launch one of the shortcuts offered by default by the application. Once this is done, go to the settings of your iPhone, select the Shortcuts application and then click Allow Untrusted Shortcuts. It is important to activate this option, otherwise the EcoWave shortcut won't work, and therefore won't give you the full freedom to manage your time of exposure to the 4G and 5G waves. Following that, open the shortcut from the link you received when you subscribed to EcoWave. Once opened, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the red button, Add Untrusted Shortcut, then confirm. The shortcut is now added to your device and you can find it in the All Shortcuts menu. But there are still some steps to follow to make the app ready for use. In the Shortcuts app, click the bottom middle menu, Automation, to create a new automation that will make the app work properly. Select Create Personal Automation, then click on Do Not Disturb and select Is Turned Off. Please note that it is very important to also remove the option Is Turned On and keep only the option Is Turned Off, as can be seen on the video. Then click on Next at the top of the screen and then tap on Add an Action to add the following actions. First action, search for Set Airplane Mode and select Turn Airplane Mode to Off. Press plus button and search for your second action, Wait. Here you can select the duration of intermittent network connections, that is, the duration in seconds that your phone will be connected to the network between each interruption. We advise you to choose at least 30 seconds, the time for the connection to be re-established by your iPhone. Here, we are going to configure it to 60 seconds. The duration of network interruptions will be chosen directly in the shortcut when you launch it for the first time. Third, finally, add the last action by clicking on plus button and select Run Shortcuts. Choose the EcoWave shortcut. Expand the Show More option, then click Choose Variable and finally select Current Date from the drop-down menu. Then click on Next at the top of the screen. On this new page, at the bottom, turn off the Ask Before Running option and confirm. It is important for the app to run properly to deactivate this option. Finally, click on Done to save your automation. Congratulations, the app is now ready for use on your phone. You can finally click on the EcoWave shortcut to launch it and let the application guide you. We remind you that you must have subscribed to a paid plan on our website, www.ecowave.me/ios, to run this shortcut. This subscription will allow you to obtain a personal code which must be added when you will open the shortcut for the first time. EcoWave allows you to enable and disable your network at regular intervals, and we will now see some tips to be able to trigger this mode more easily, and thus avoid returning each time to the Shortcuts app. First, you can add the EcoWave widget on your iPhone's home screen. To hold your finger on the home screen, and click plus at the top left. Find the Shortcuts widget and choose the first widget style. Click on the shortcut to open widget settings and change the shortcut that will be triggered by selecting EcoWave. Close the settings, then click on Done at the top right to save. Now, you can launch EcoWave mode directly from your home screen. You can also enable EcoWave mode by tapping the back of your iPhone twice. To do this, simply go to the Settings menu of your iPhone, then click on Accessibility, select Touch, then at the very bottom, choose Back Tap. On this page, press double or triple tap according to your choice and select the shortcut, EcoWave. Now you just need to tap the back of your iPhone anytime, even when locked, to trigger the shortcut and enable EcoWave mode. To disable EcoWave mode and resume normal operation, simply tap the back of your device or simply open the shortcut. You will then be offered an option to turn off EcoWave mode. Thank you for watching this tutorial video. We hope that you have successfully installed the EcoWave shortcut, and that you finally enjoy a few moments of relaxation without connecting to the network. Good relaxation with EcoWave.